Hi there, I'm John Shields from Chesapeake Bites, and I was feeling like just throwing a little something together. Sometimes you feel like that. I'm a chef, but sometimes I get home and I don't feel like cooking. I don't know about you. Or I need to do something quick and fast. So I keep, some of these whole grains, 7 grains, 12 grains, ancient grain, little things that you can pop in the microwave. It takes like 90 seconds. And then you just put it in a bowl like so, right? So I guess if I wasn't doing anything else, I could just eat this delicious, it's all nutty and wonderful flavors. But I thought, well, what else could we do? I'm thinking sometimes like a risotto, but not. How could we do something quick? Well, it's springtime, and I was over at the farmer's market from Calvert gift farms, and I got some of these beautiful pea shoots, right? Now, pea shoots, you think, well, do you have to cook them? No, you don't have to cook them at all. All we can do is throw these in while the grains are still hot. So it'll be just warm enough to kind of wilt them. Then I have some Parmesan cheese that I always keep in the Frigidaire, and a little bit of salt and pepper, and a little bit of olive oil, or a little bit of Locavore olive oil there. I'm going to put that all upon that. Look at that. So next, I'm just going to take it and quickly toss everything together. Come on, little things, like so. And as you can see, the pea shoots already starting to wilt because it's just enough heat in there to cook them just a little bit. And voila, you have an absolutely delicious grain bowl here that has fresh vegetables in it. You have your many grains, put a bunch of cheese on it, and no muss, no fuss, 90 seconds, toss it together, and you have a beautiful semi-locavore dinner.